All right, so if the HR diagram hasn't blown you away already with luminosity, temperature, color, radius, distance, apparent brightness, you can add something to that list. Okay. We get pressure and density of the star from this diagram too. And that's what these lines are. They tell you the density of the star. So red giants are less dense, and the kind of goes up. So these bands, you can see 1A, 1B, 2, 3, 4, 5. That tells you the density and pressure of the star. So spectral lines, right? That's chapter 3 again. Stars classified by how wide their spectral lines are. And then you can translate that into these categories here, 1A through 5. So yay, another chart. These actually get tagged on to the end of the stellar classifications, right? So Oh Be a Fine Guy Girl Kiss Me, and then 0 through 9, and then 1A through 5. Okay, so 1A and 1B are supergiants, 2 and 3 are giants, 4 is a subgiant, 5 is a main sequence star or a dwarf star. Kind of doesn't seem fair to me because 90% of the stars are going to be 5s, main sequence dwarfs. Well, okay. I guess it's just the way the pressure and gas divvy up, so alright. So our sun is a G2V. Okay. G2V. So G classification, kind of hot end on the G scale, and then V for main sequence or dwarf star. So again, to break down the classifications, our sun G, temperature, right? So classification, temperature, color, G, 6,000 degrees Kelvin-ish. Then 2 from the 0 to 9, so it's kind of in the hot category of the G. And then V, the main sequence. Now taking another one, Barnard star, which was red dwarf, M, so it's the coolest of them. Oh, be a fine guy, God kiss me, right? M is the last one. 5, it's in the middle, right? So not on the hot end, not on the cold end. And then V is either main sequence or dwarf star, and we know it's a red dwarf. Regal, it's B8IA, right? Blue supergiant. So we know it's a blue supergiant, but look at these categories. B, O, B, A, fine, blah, 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 right? So B is very hot, right? So 20,000 degrees Kelvin. 8, it's on the cool side of the B class, right? 0 to 9, so it's on the cool side. And then IA, right? It's a bright supergiant. So not even just a supergiant, it's a bright supergiant.